Welcome back. Let's do our first exercise. And this exercise is going to be really easy for you to skip, but I do recommend that you actually do it. I know it's not coding, but it's important because you'll learn that teaching somebody a topic actually helps you learn. So this is the exercise. Based on the videos that you've watched, how does Python work? But don't think about it in your head. I want you to talk to somebody. I want you to teach somebody how Python works. So the first thing you're going to do is go to our community, our Discord community. We have lots of people here. We have about 1,500 people online right now, plus some alumni, plus some star mentors. Well, there's a lot of people. What I want you to do is go to the Programming Buddies channel, if you haven't already, and find a buddy. And with that buddy, whether that person is taking a Python course or taking a JavaScript course, it doesn't matter. Just say, hey, can I spend maybe 5 minutes teaching you how Python works? And see if you can explain it to them, how it works just like you've learned. And then, after you've done that, I want you to go find a friend or a family member that has never done programming before and see if you can explain in simple terms how Python works. That is how Python gets written as source code. We use this translation service called an interpreter to run this code and then, well, spit out some instruction for our machines. I kind of gave away the answer, but you know what I mean. I want you to practice teaching somebody this because by understanding these fundamentals, it's going to help you learn more and more and understand how things work underneath the hood as we get more and more advanced. All right, first little exercise. It shouldn't be too hard. I'll see you in the next video.